Today, I'll show you how to install Tekken 7 on Android. Now, the setup and extraction process is kind of complicated, so make sure to stay focused and do exactly what you see me doing in this video on your device, so you'll be able to play this amazing fighting game on Android device. Also, I'll be giving you guys the best settings to apply to your emulator, so you are going to be getting the best graphics while you are playing this game. Now, in order to get this done, you are going to need two apps. The first app is called PPSSPP emulator, which is this app that you can see already installed on my device. Then the second app is called Z Archiver. I'm going to tell you why you are going to need Z Archiver pretty soon. Now, once you are done installing these two apps, go ahead and open your emulator for the first time. Once you open your emulator for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. So simply click on OK. Now go to your main directory and choose any folder. As for me, I normally like using my document folder, so I'll click on document, I'll click on use this folder, then I'll click on allow. Then all I have to do is just click on OK, and it's going to open the main interface. Now you can see that there's no game in here for me to play. That's because I have not extracted any game. Now let's go and extract a game to play real quick. So open your Z Archiver. Once you open your Z Archiver, all you have to do now is just locate any game file, or rather locate your Tekken 7 game file. So as for me, my game file is inside my download section. So I'll go into my download section. You can see my game file is already here, my Tekken PSP game file. So all I have to do is just extract this file. So I'm going to click on extract here, and it's going to start extracting the game files. Now make sure that you stay focused during this extraction process, because I'm going to be showing you guys how you are going to be moving the files, and you need to make sure that you focus and you do exactly what I'm going to do, because if you do not move the files correctly, the game is not going to play. So make sure that you stay focused. Now, once it's done extracting, you are going to see this PSP folder in here. So that's where all the files are going to be. So once we go into the folder, you see that there is save data files, there's system files, and also there's texture files. So you can see there are different type of files in here, and you can see. So all we have to do now, we are going to be moving these files one at a time. So the first file that we are going to move right now is the save data file. So we'll click on save data, and then you can see this file in here. You just have to hold down on it. So just hold down on it, click on cut, and then go back to your main directory. Remember, this is the save data file. So we'll go to document, PSP, save data, and then we'll paste it in here. So what we're actually doing right now is that we are moving those extracted files to our main PSP folder. So we have already done the save data file. So let's go back there. So we'll go to download. Please follow all my steps. Follow all my steps so you do not make any mistake. So we'll go in here, PSP. So we are done with the save data files. So next is the system files. So we'll move the system files. So right now I'm not seeing any system files in here, but I'm seeing a background. So we're going to be taking this background. So let's just take it. We'll hold down on it, click on cut, and then we'll go to the system files. Now we'll go to document, PSP, system, and then we'll paste that in here. Now let's go back to the download section. Alright, we're done with that of system. Now there's textures. So let's go into the textures, and then we're going to cut everything in this texture section. We cut it, and then we go back, click on our documents, our main PSP folder, and then you're going to see the texture folder in here. Then we'll paste it in here. So that's it for that. Now the last thing we're going to need is the game file. So if we go to the download section, you actually see that there's a game file here now, Tekken 7. You can see the ISO file is ready. So all I have to do is hold down on the ISO file, cut the ISO file, and then I go to my emulator once again. My emulator files in the document section, PSP, and then now I'll put it in the game section. So let's just put it in the game section. Now we are done moving all the files. So let's go and try playing this game now. So once we open our emulator, you can already see, that the changes have been made. You can already see that changes have been made, but the game is still not yet to play because there's one more thing for us to do. So we'll click on browse. Now we have to go and show it exactly where we kept the game ISO file. So we'll click on document PSP. If you remember correctly, I kept the ISO file inside this game section. So I'm going to click on use this folder, allow. Now you can see that the game is here, Tekken 7, and is ready to be played. Now you are going to need some settings that is going to give you best performance, best graphics, and all of that, and it's going to remove lag when you are playing this game on your emulator. I'm going to suggest a dedicated video for that is going to give you the best graphics when you are playing this game at the end of this video. So make sure to stick to the end of this video so you do not miss out on that. Now let's play this game and see how it goes.
Get ready for the next Round one. Fight! Get ready for the next Round one.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there, but I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.